Find the discriminant and give the description. Use b squared minus 4ac to find it. Okay, in order to actually find the discriminant, we're just going to be using this formula. Let's try. Before we do that, let's identify the values. We have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 4 as well. Now let's try solving. First business, we have to substitute. So substitute b with 4, negative 4, and then substitute a with 1, substitute c with 4. If you notice it's like this, you're basically going to have to multiply it twice. So multiply it to itself twice. So 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4. And negative 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. And this is our discriminant. But that doesn't end yet. The instructions say, give the description. So I'm basically asking, what type of root is this? Yep, it's rational and equal, which is exactly 0. Like, if the discriminant is exactly 0, then that means it's a rational rational and equal, sorry. The root is rational and equal. Now we have our next example. Let's just do the similar step we did earlier by identifying the values. 3, 7, b is equal to 9, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to 9. 7s, 3, and 9. Just in case you guys get overwhelmed by multiplying 3 numbers at the same time, I recommend you guys go to multiply these two first and then you multiply it with the other one. Just a word of advice that I've learned. So let's multiply it twice. 7 times 7 is 49. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 times 4, it's 108. Let's subtract 108 minus 49. 8 minus 9 is 9. Move that. 9 minus 4 is 5. Let's copy the sign of the higher number, which is 108. Now, our discriminant is negative 59. But, what do you think the discriminant is? What type? Is it rational and unequal, irrational and unequal, rational equal, or imaginary and complex? Yep, you're correct. It's imaginary or complex. Description. The root is imaginary or complex. Why is it imaginary and complex? Well, if you remember the description, it says lesser than 0, or in more simpler terms, a negative number, which involves any type of number, negative 1, negative 2, negative 25, negative 100, anything, as long as it has a negative sign, or it's lesser than 0. Here's a quick review of it, and I hope you're able to understand this lesson.